Welcome to the VIET quiz. Find the odd emoji out and more. Ultimate emoji quiz compilation. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications bell to receive more fun videos. Let's get started and have some fun. Good luck. Question 1. Look closely at the question. Can you find the odd telephone emoji? Question 2. Next difficult question. Look closely at the photo. Can you find the odd cry emoji? Question 3. Next difficult question. Can you find the odd raising hand emoji? Question 4. On to the next question. The clue for can you find the odd Cupid emoji? Question 5. Look closely at the photo. Can you find the odd thumbs down emoji? Question 6. Next difficult question. Question 7. Look closely at the photos. Can you find the odd cold sweet emoji? Question 8. Next question. Can you find the odd cold artist emoji? Question 9. On to the next question. The clue for can you find the odd clown face emoji? Question 10. Look closely at the photo. Can you find the odd robot emoji? Question 11. Look closer at the photo. Can you find the odd kissing cat emoji? Question 12. Can you find the difference? Can you find the odd see no evil monkey emoji? Question 13. Look closely at the photos. Can you find the odd baby emoji? Question 14. Next difficult question. Can you find the odd woman gesturing? No emoji. Question 15. On to the next question. The clue for can you find the odd person bowing emoji? Question 16. Look closely at the photo. Can you find the odd mechanic emoji? Question 17. Can you find the difference? Can you find the odd man with white cane emoji? Question 18. Look closely at the photos. Can you find the odd woman pilot emoji? Question 19. Next difficult question. Can you find the odd prince emoji? Question 20. On to the next question. The clue for can you find the odd apple emoji? Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know in the comments. We hope you liked it. Subscribe to our channel and enjoy new quiz every week. We recommend you to watch these videos and we'll see you next time. Bye bye!